We now present to you the nominees for Most Innovative Impact Investing Project. This award is sponsored by Credit Suisse. Africa Integros invests early risk private capital in higher education infrastructure in sub-Saharan Africa. It has a pipeline of over a dozen universities to create more than 750,000 graduates over the next 30 years, lifting their families out of poverty and supporting the economic development of the continent. Since 1995, MDIF has successfully managed its own hybrid debt and equity fund, meeting a range of financing needs for independent news outlets. MDIF currently holds over $50 million in debt and equity investments in over 55 media companies in 25 countries. Agroforestry will be a central element in the global response to growing demand for sustainable agricultural and forest products. The Moringa vision is to create economic benefit for its investors and local communities, while contributing to building environmental and social resilience of land use in its projects.